Hi, this is Sirio, and this is part of my speech, Embracing the Shift, How AI Empowers Creators and Transforms Businesses. Did you know that more than 70% of people believe that creativity is reserved for a select few? But the truth is creativity is a fundamental aspect of being a human. It's a birthright. That's what Rick Rubin would say. I believe that we exist to create, and we create to imagine. Now, let's imagine together. Close your eyes. Close your eyes and think of a world where your ideas can come to life, even if you lack the technical skills to execute them. Imagine a place where your creativity knows no bounds, where technology helps you overcome any limitation. This is where AI steps in. It helps bridging the gap between vision and creation. I live with aphantasia, a condition where I cannot visualize images in my head. And in 2015, when I was 15 years old, I spoke for TED in Albania. And as a visionary kid, I wanted to help and encourage kids my age to read books by putting on a device like Apple Vision Pro. I cannot read fiction, unfortunately, because I cannot visualize. And I wanted to help my peers facing the same challenge. For a very long time, I felt constrained, I felt blocked, powerless. I was unable to manifest my creative ideas into reality. And the essence of being a creator lies in the ability to bring forth these ideas. A decade later, I encountered the transformative powers of generative AI. Using AI tools, I can now turn abstract concepts into tangible artworks. Today, AI helps me create detailed images from ideas that I could not even otherwise visualize. For example, I helped my friend Sonia turn a resort from ruins into a luxury destination just using AI. I assisted my friend Phil in creating a last-minute activewear collection for his brand. I've worked with manufacturers to develop packaging for their products. These are just a few examples of how AI empowers creators like me to bring their visions to life. This technology is not about automating tasks. It's about expanding our capabilities and breaking down barriers. It's about empowering creators. Let me make this clear. Creativity is not just for artists or for musicians, it's for everyone. It's about bringing something into existence that was not there before. Whether it's a new solution to a problem, a unique way of rearranging your room, or even just a different route home trying to avoid traffic. AI does not replace human creativity. It enhances it. It helps overcome creative blocks. Generative AI allows us to explore new dimensions of innovation, of what's possible. For example, organizations are using AI to streamline processes and create more efficient models which before were not imaginable. Research shows that creators that are employed by these organizations drive personal value from using AI. When it helps with their self-determination, when it enhances their competence, when it enhances their autonomy. So the value of AI extends to individual empowerment in today's workforce. It's not just a buzzword. In the creative industries, AI is helping artists and designers like me to push boundaries of what's possible, whether it's generating new designs, optimizing workflows, or just providing insights. AI is a very powerful ally in creating processes. It enables us to be all creators, regardless of our traditional skill sets. For instance, take a 3D designer who has the technical knowledge but lacks the vision. AI can equip the designer with tools not only to execute but also to innovate and envision new possibilities. Or take a visionary who does not have the technical skills to bring to life their dream app. AI can help with that. In an AI-enhanced world, learning continuously is crucial. Change is crucial. We need to embrace this technology not as a threat, but as a partner that helps us unlock our full potential. It is time to rethink what it means to be a creator and recognize that with the right tools, anyone can bring their vision to life. And now I ask you to close your eyes again and picture a realm where AI is not just a tool, but it's a catalyst awakening the potential within each one of us to create and innovate. The power to create, it's within all of us. In this shifted world, AI reshapes not just what we can do, but who we can become. The question is, will you stand on the sideline, or will you embrace these transformative tools? Now I ask you to open your eyes. Remember, AI will not replace you, but those who master it will forge the future. The choice is yours. Will you be the architect of tomorrow, or simply a spectator?